Welcome back to the MSU Assessment channel.
This video is part of the SPAL Assessment Platform tutorial series and is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team within the Office of Institutional Effectiveness at Murray State University.
In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create a new measure for academic programs. Please note that this tutorial covers measures assessed within a course. For measures not assessed within a course, please contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu for assistance. Let's get started.
From the SPAL homepage, make sure you selected the correct academic year from the Planning or Reporting Year drop-down menu.
Then, click the Assessment module icon. From the Assessment sidebar, click the All Assessments link. You should be redirected to the All Assessments by Program page. In this page, you should see the program you're managing along with its list of learning outcomes. Go ahead and select the program learning outcome for which you plan to create your measure. For this example, we are selecting the PLO3. You will then be redirected to the Program Learning Outcome Details page. Now, click the Measure tab. Then, click the blue plus button. When the new Measure dialog box appears, complete all the fields provided. Depending on the measure you plan to use, select the appropriate measure type from the categories provided in the drop-down list. To help you identify which category each measure falls under, please access the List of Assessment Measures document from the link in the description box below. Next, select whether your measure is direct or indirect. In a nutshell, direct measure examines actual results relative to the outcome. Indirect measure, on the other hand, examines perceptions or feelings relative to the outcome. By default, a new measure entry is considered a direct measure. You can deselect this field if your measure is indirect. To know more about direct and indirect measures, please access the All About Assessment Measures document from the link in the description box below. After filling out all fields, click Save. Next, associate your measure to the relevant courses by clicking either the Associated Courses heading or the blue plus button next to it. This step is essential for saving your findings or results when they become available later. From the Associated Courses window pane, select the appropriate courses. Finally, click on Save. And there you have it. You just created a new measure. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MSU Assessment YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu if you have any questions. For more information about outcomes assessment at Murray State, please visit our website by clicking the About link in the description box below. Happy assessing, and go Racers!